Oh, hi, it's Matt with Pufferfish. How's it going? Today, we are so excited to build the Pyramids of Giza. Yes, 3 pyramid structures, just like the ones in Egypt that still exist today. It's gonna be a fun build. We're gonna use the really big shovel, the super scoop, and the shapers to get this in, and of course the massive better bucket to get that sand nice and wet. The original pyramids, there's 3 of them. The main ones we're talking about here, Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure, they're dedicated to the pharaohs of that time. And it took thousands of slaves, almost 30 years to build them. Today we're gonna try to shorten that into about 2 hours and just 3 people. Let's get to work. Okay, here we go with the second layer of sand and then water. Get these pyramids nice and solid from the inside out. The super scoop. Better edges of the first pyramid coming together quite nicely. That was about 15 minutes to get the smoothing out there, a little less. Coming together though. All right, our pyramids are complete. Did it take 30 years? No, it took 3 hours. Ha ha, old pyramids, beat ya. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to our page, hit like, check us out on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you like what we're doing, let us know. There's a little comment section down there. Happy beaching out there, people. Bye.